Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in on today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, like the video, make sure you drop a comment down below and share with all your friends. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one.
What is up, you guys? So by the title, you already guessed what we're doing today. So I'm gonna get straight to it and show you guys the products that we're using. So first, we're gonna start off with my fave, the Bond Aid OPI. And then we're gonna go in with the Young Nails Protein Bond. I'm also using Young Nails Nail Liquid, and I'm using 3 different brushes. So the first one here is my number 12 oval. Then I have a OPI 5 red sable brush. And then I'm going to be using, this is a Kolinsky number 8 brush. In addition to those, I'm also going to be using the Star Pros white powder, acrylic powder, as well as the Star Pros rose pink acrylic powder. I'm also going to be using C&D's clear, as well as some color shades of, and I'll show you guys, I have a chart. I'm going to be using 33, 40, 15, 47, 8, and 28. So those are the colors that I'm using. I did already file down to a clear coat just for the tips, and I'm just going in. I extended this one a little bit because I wanted a stiletto shape for it. I have not filed anything, and I just did the clear extension on this guy. So we are going to go ahead and apply some dehydrator and primer and lay a clear thin layer of acrylic down. All right, let's get to it. 40 and a glow-in-the-dark white by Star Pro. So I'm going to kind of start at the bottom and I'm going to use a little bit of white. Then I'm going to go in with the number 40. And I'm just going to lightly fade it over the white. Then I'm going to go in with 33. And fade that down. Moving forward with the middle finger, I'm going to be taking 15, 47, 8 and a mixture of 8 and white, which is what's in this cup, which is like a soft blue. So we're going to go ahead and start with the tip. I'm going to take the nail art brush, dip a little bit into 8 and place 8 down on the tip. So for the middle finger, we're going in with the Star Pro white powder as well as the Super Nail glow in the dark white. Alrighty, and we're back with the index. So I'm gonna go ahead and with 28, 33, 40 in the mixture of number 8, which was the blue, as well as white, and do the index. So now we're back with the thumb, and I have the glow in the dark white, the number 8 blue, this, sorry you guys, it's annoying, 40, which is the lime, the 47, which is the purple, the 20, which is like a soft lavender chunky glitter mix. Alright guys, so now that our nails have been colored the way that we want them, and they're looking a little crusty, dusty, we're going to go ahead and encapsulate it with the C&D Clear.
Digits on the
So we are back. The nails haven't filed down. Yes, I know they look crusty and my hands look pretty ashy, but it's okay. We gonna keep it pushing. So for this particular nail, I decided I don't want it to be just white. I want white with a little bit of like some sparkle in it, just because I feel like it's too plain. So I'm gonna go in with my artistic colors and put a ring on it. And I'm also going to be painting a black heart, so I'm going to use the artistic gloss and swag. I'm also going to be using my Cart's base and top coat, as well as a nail art brush, wax pencil, some bling bling baby, and I also have a white heart from a decal of the set that I'm selling. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and with the base coat and get it popping.
Digits on the beat.
If you like these videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon, and make sure you like the video and share with all of your friends. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.